Jones Nuttall in Warrington are really big fans of the HURCO machines. They've got 14 in fact, and I'm going to be talking to Geoff today about their most recent investment, the DCX22i. Geoff, we're here at Jones Nuttall. What do you do here?
We make parts for every industry you can think of really, railway, gas, pharmaceutical, all kinds.
We're still in front of your most recent investment, the DCX22i. Why have you invested in this machine?
Well, we were getting jobs that were getting bigger and bigger for different customers, so we needed to upgrade the machine and get a bigger bed. This one's got a 2-metre bed on this one, so we can get a lot more jobs on it.
The materials as well. You're not just working with aluminium or mild steel, are you?
No, we do everything you can think of: nylon, titanium, Inconel, I say stainless steel, everything.
So this isn't your only HURCO, is it? You've got 14 in this building here.
Yeah, we have, yeah.
So why have you gone for HURCO?
It's just user-friendly, really. It's easy to program, easy to set up. Everything's easy about them.
So you've got a double screen on this machine here.
Yeah.
How does that help?
So I can watch the program running, and I can also edit the program as well. I can program another job if I want to while it's running as well.
So this is a big machine.
Yeah.
You're working with tight tolerances. How does this machine do that?
Well, this job that we've got on at the minute is a pharmaceutical industry, so obviously it's got tight tolerances on that, but it keeps them really well, yeah.
You're working with some really difficult materials there. How does the spindle cope with that?
Well, the spindle can go up to 12,000 revs, so you can do pretty much any material on it that you want to do, really, yeah.
It's a big machine.
Yeah.
How long did it take to install and drop off?
I think it was about 4 or 5 days. The guys come in, dropped it off, and then just put it all together quick, yeah.
And because you've got other HURCOs, how easy was it to get up and running?
Oh, it was simple because everything's the same. All the controls are the same, so anybody can jump on any machine. Like all the lads, we all run about 2 or 3 machines, so we could just go anywhere in here. That's why we've got all the HURCOs.
You're putting some big parts on the table here. How does the machine cope with swarf management? Because you're going to be creating a lot of chips.
Yeah, well, they've got the conveyor in, which is good. It's got wash down coolant as well, which helps, obviously. Obviously, we've still got to get it and clean it out, but it helps, yeah.